their life. Do you know what is that event called? Yes, that is the cell division. So by the cell division, one parent cell rather, divided into two daughter cell of the same size. So like that way the cell division starts. After cell division, that newly formed cell grown, and after the growth period, after the generation time, after the completion of the growth, that parent cell again divided and formed two more daughter cells. So this is the a cycle is continuing like this. So boys, now you all of you write it down, the cell cycle. Cell division and the structure of chromosome. So this is our chapter. Now first I will tell you, so what is cell cycle? Cell cycle. Cell cycle is the sequence of events. Sequence of events from the end of one cell division to the end of second cell division. I hope all of you have noted down. So there are sequence of events. Many events are taking place between from the end of the one cell division to the end of the second cell division. So this duration of time, the duration of a cell division, the duration of a cell division, it is called the generation time. It is called generation time. And different cells, these generation times are different. And after the growth of the cell, they starts dividing. So one parent cell starts growing, and after the completed growth, they start dividing and produce two daughter cells. So in a gist, in a mind map, how these things can we say? Cell division are of two types. One is mitosis, another is meiosis. Mitosis means here the one parent cell divide and produce how many daughter cells? Two daughter cells. Two daughter cells. And that two daughter cells are identical. Okay, identical means same size. Not only that, same chromosome number. But meiosis here, the cell divide, but here the parent cell produces four daughter cells. Four daughter cells, and that takes place in the gametes, means in the gonads. Gonads means it can be ovary, it can be testis, and ultimately they form gametes, means the sperm and ovum. This meiosis is also two types. One is meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 is a reductional division. Here the chromosome number reduced into half, HALF, half than that of the mother cell. But meiosis 2, it is simple mitotic division. It is just simple mitotic division. Means the chromosome number will remain same. Okay. Now this mitosis, why this mitosis is taking place? Definitely some reasons are there. So it is for mitosis is necessary for the growth, for the replacement, growth of the body. From one cell, two cells will form. So for the growth, for repair of our body part. Suppose some part got cut, you have got wound. So to healing up the wound, this mitosis is needed. So for growth, for replacement, for repair, for asexual reproduction. For asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction means where only one parent is needed. No two parents, no male and female are needed. Only one parent will divide and produce the daughter cells. So they are called asexual reproductions. And not only that, also it maintains the chromosome number. Chromosome number. Because in the mitosis only the chromosome numbers are remain fixed, identical daughter cells are producing, but not for the meiosis. So these are the significance of the mitosis. So all these are the significance of mitosis. Now this mitosis is again divided into karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyo, K-A-R-I-O, karyokinesis. Karyo means nuclear division. So the division of nucleus, N-U-C-L-E-U-S, nucleus, and another one is cytokinesis. From the name suggests, cyto means cytoplasm, so division of cytoplasm means cytokinesis. Okay. Now this karyokinesis, मतलब nuclear division, is again divided into 4 phases. 4 phases. What are those 4 phases? One is prophase, P-R-O-P-H-A-S-E, prophase, then metaphase, then anaphase, and then telophase. Okay boys, so today only up to this I will tell you. So karyokinesis, nuclear division, cytoplasm is cytokinesis, cytoplasm division. Now karyokinesis is again divided into 4 phases. What are they? One is prophase, second is metaphase, third is anaphase, fourth is telophase. So where the difference is? Pro means first, before, meta means in the middle, anaphase both the sides, and telophase at the end, and phase means phase, the division. Okay, so up to this, and what are the characteristics of these phases I will tell you in my next class. Okay, thank you boys.